I don't just want no wife. I don't want no wife. I don't even like that title. That's some American shit. I want my best friend because, you know, you gonna honor your friend different, your best friend, than you gonna honor a wife. You know, a wife just seemed like a business deal,
title.
Yeah, it seemed like a business relationship. Happy wife, happy life. Like you gonna not piss me the fuck contingent upon if I'm keeping you happy. Like that's not. I want a best friend. I wanna have a best friend to where if you my best friend, like we there for each other. I'm there for you emotionally. You have a death in the family. I'm gonna comfort you. Hey, look, you know what? I ain't gonna go to the gym today. You know, I'm gonna do this, and boom, bought you some flowers. You know, just little small things I could do to let you know if you need anything, I'm here. I'm so loyal, and I'm such a beautiful person that I give my all. I give my all. Every time. I never looked at myself like somebody special. You know, I've always dealt with low self-esteem issues and things of that nature. I never looked at myself like I was somebody that was important. You know, to be honest. You gotta be loyal to yourself first also. You can't obligate yourself to a false cause. Because a lot of men, we as men as being providers, oftentimes we do that. So my philosophy is this: I'm not here to give marriage advice. I tell people either you grow together or you grow apart. That's it. Once you stop growing together, it's over with. I don't think it can ever be rekindled because y'all on two different journeys.
Kevin Gates said, be loyal to yourself first, because sometimes you don't lose love, you outgrow it. And nothing hurts more than watching someone you love stay the same while you're changing.
Vulnerability is one of the strongest things you could ever exhibit as a man. Because, you know, you gotta be tough. You gotta be this, you gotta be that. So.
But don't some view vulnerability as weakness? You can be vulnerable but not be weak. You can be weak but not be vulnerable.
I'm being vulnerable right now. It take more courage to be vulnerable than it do to be a tough guy. I'ma always be vulnerable first. My love is intense. Ain't nobody gonna love you like I love you. You can try.
You love hard, huh?
Just don't lie to me. Don't lie to me. It ain't nothing I can't forgive. Just don't lie to me. And I ain't gonna let what one person did me make me change and not be me. Because a lot of times it's easy for us to give love but not receive love. You got this bad with it. But if he go to jail, she gone.
Right.
But this woman right here, shit, I go to jail, man, the horse legs ain't never broke. She gonna run for me. She gonna run for me.
How did you find that out, though?
The greatest test that anything can withstand is time. Just give it time. It'll reveal itself.
Yeah, man.
It'll reveal itself. I know a lot of bad. Hey, you ain't gonna hold no nigga if he go to jail. You not gonna pick the phone up. You not gonna do none of that. And I hate to look at it like that, but would you have me when I was broke?
Kevin Gates said, time reveals all, because when life gets hard, people show who they really are. He said, many women won't hold their man down if he goes to jail. That's when you realize love is easy, loyalty is rare.
I ain't gotta get loud with you and all that. I ain't about to even raise my voice. I'm not gonna even admit that type of emotion. I'm gonna train you how to respect me with my absence, whoever. You don't deserve to be in my presence. I'm gonna train you how to respect me with my absence. I really like to stay. I learned how to keep my mouth closed and watch. I learned that talking really don't do nothing. It'll raise awareness. But I'm an action man, me. I like action. I wouldn't be where I'm at right now if it wasn't for this woman. I'd be either locked up or probably dead. Every time I didn't listen to her, something happened to me.
See?
Because women have something called intuition.
Yeah.
God gave women wisdom, natural wisdom. They have intuition about things. Like everybody that's on my staff, she picked. And the people that she told me wasn't right, they was never right. The people that didn't like her, they wasn't right. You're not right.
Yep.
And when you don't listen to your woman, you know negative things happen.